playing spies!
Ooh, look, a secret message.
I wonder what it is. It's coming together. I see something appearing. Star!
It's a star.
Cool message.
We're going to show you how to make a secret message so you can play spy too. Watch this. Here's how to send a secret message on blank paper.
Here it goes, Xander. So first, we get a white crayon and we write a secret message on the paper. You can't really see it, but you have to know what you're writing.
You can also just draw pictures. It's a little tricky to see what you're drawing sometimes.
There you go.
Once you're done with your message, you use the watercolor on top. The watercolor paint doesn't stick to the crayon, so you can see the crayon message.
Look what happened to mine. You can use a dark color because it'll be easier to see.
I'm using the color orange.
Maybe I should send a map to important clues.
Maybe I could send a secret meeting place.
And that's how you make a secret spy message. Touch here for more cool videos. Come play with us. And touch here to subscribe.